Japanese eggplants are featured. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are making a simple vegetarian dish and cooking our roasted eggplant and tomatoes. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Preheat oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Dice half an onion. Over medium heat, spray a pan with nonstick spray and coat it with olive oil. Add onions. Cook until translucent. 5 minutes. Mince garlic. Place garlic into the pot. Cook 1 minute. Gather Creole seasoning, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. Add dried spices, and combine. Pour in tomatoes too. Combine. Bring to a low boil and cook 2 minutes. Remove from heat. Enjoying this recipe so far? If so, like and share it. Check out our channel for other garden fresh recipes. Also, subscribe and click the notifications link so you know when we release new recipes. Spray a foil-lined sheet pan with nonstick spray. Slice eggplant in half, lengthwise. Score the cut surface of the eggplant. In a crisscross pattern. Brush both sides of eggplant with olive oil. Place eggplant onto a sheet pan. Skin side down. Sprinkle with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Top eggplant with tomato mixture. What dishes do you like to make with eggplant? Let us know. Your response might get featured in a future episode. Grate Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Sprinkle cheese over tomato mixture. Place breadcrumbs into a bowl. Pour in olive oil. Coat breadcrumbs in oil until crumbly. Sprinkle breadcrumbs over cheese, along with more garlic powder. Bake until tender, 30 to 40 minutes. If you have enjoyed this recipe, like and share it. Also, you can help our channel grow by clicking subscribe below the video. Transfer eggplant to a serving platter. Garnish with fresh grated cheese. Roughly chopped fresh basil. Garnish eggplant with fresh basil too. Serve hot or warm. you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.